Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, your books in the school. So please, when the message will come to you, then you go to the school. Otherwise, no need. You will get message very soon. So Sunday today, I will explain the previous work because you don't have. I don't want give any class work. So please read this chapter again. Okay, introductions to MS logo. Continue the same work and please try to read and understand this. What is command input box, what is recall list box, and here some multiple choice is there, so try to learn this one. Okay, and command buttons execute, highlight, these all are very important. If you're using this is logo, MSW logo, it will help you. Okay, pause, status, and that buttons where we are using. So these, and please try to learn this trace and reset. See, the logo have also tail. So this is the turtle logo means this turtle have tail. Logo means computer language, which one we are using here to move the turtle. Here is the have tail. Turtle have tail downside. If you want change the position of tail, you can change and give the commands RT 90 BK 50 like that. Okay dear all, and please you should learn this main points. What this no, now you know, this is the very important, really it's very good points. Logo is a simple computer language used to draw figure, picture, type text, and to do mathematical calculation. The MSW logo screen contain two parts. It is contain two parts. One is the main screen and the second one is commander window. It has two parts. So please this, if keep in your mind whenever you are doing the practical, it is coming automatically in your mind, and try to learn this all points and these key terms. The third point is the main screen consists of title bar, menu bar, drawing area, and scroll bar. The small triangle which draw on the logo screen is called the turtle. Commander windows consist of recall list box, commander in command input box, command buttons, and scroll bar. That is, it depend on the scroll bar, vertical and horizontal scroll bar is there, and list of box also the recycle, commands input box, command box, buttons. Commands buttons on the MSW logo screen are execute button and help button, reset, trace, pause, step, and status. This all are very important. It is coming one by one, like excuse button, held button we already know, just we completed. Reset and trace, pause, steps, and status. These details here, so please read it and keep in your mind. Here is the key terms. Today during the class you should learn these 4 lines. Logo, language of graphic oriented. Program a set of information given to a computer. Turtle a small triangle that act like a logo pen. Primitive, a logo command is called primitive. Here is the exercise. So please this also try to read. If you are reading and keeping in your mind all main points, it really easy for you understand the concept of MSW logo. Okay dear all, inshallah next class I will give the question answers. I don't want to give now because the books I know very well, so I don't want you get any burdens. So I just recall the previous chapter. Okay, so just read it and try to understand each and everything, and please complete the question answers and new words in the copy when you will get, and this exercise complete in the book when you get. Other than just I'm sharing this screen with you, this all chapter you should read, only read, you will get the idea. Okay, read it. Thank you so much.